Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to recover a forgotten Telegram password. Open up the Telegram. Click on Menu from the bottom left corner. Go into Settings. Scroll down to Privacy and Security. As you can see, you don't have any option for password here. So go into any of your Google account. Like you can open Gmail. Click on your account from the top right corner. Then click on Manage your account. So here, go into Security. Scroll down to Password Manager and Security. Here you can see different accounts. Then click on the account you want to view the password of. Right now, Telegram isn't here. But if Telegram was here, you just have to click on it. Then it will ask you to verify yourself. After that, you need to click on the eye icon to view your forgotten password for Telegram. If you're wondering that you won't be able to log back into your account, and see, it actually doesn't ask for password. The only thing you need is your phone number activated on your phone. So you would be able to receive the messages, and from there, you can verify yourself via phone. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.